Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Airtable to Canva for automated campaign visuals, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Airtable website. Log into your Airtable account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, create a new base for your campaign visuals. Add the necessary fields to your table, such as campaign name, image details, and any specific text you want to include. In a separate tab, go to the Canva website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free version to access the platform. Within Canva, choose a design template that fits your campaign's needs. Customize your template by adding placeholders for the dynamic content you'll be importing from Airtable. Next, head back to Airtable and click on the Automations tab on the top right of the screen. Click on the Create an Automation button. Choose the trigger for your automation. You might opt for when a record is created or when a record is updated. Select your base and the table that contains the campaign information. Add an action by clicking Add Action and choose Send to Webhook. In a separate window, now open Zapier or a similar automation tool. Create a new Zap or automation that connects Airtable to Canva. Choose Airtable as the app and select the trigger event you set up earlier. Log into your Airtable account and connect the base you created. In the Action step, choose Webhooks by Zapier and select Custom Request. Configure the request method to post and enter the URL provided by Canva for integrations. Set up the data mapping by linking Airtable fields to the corresponding placeholders in your Canva template. Test your automation to ensure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, turn on your Zap to activate the connection. Return to your Canva account and find the designs you set up for automation. Your automated campaign visuals are now ready using the data from Airtable. This integration will save you time and streamline your design process. You can further customize your designs directly in Canva after generating them through the automation. Monitor your Airtable records to ensure that campaigns update seamlessly with new visuals as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.